Welcome to the Academia Hargeisa Universalis and its School of Mathematics. I'm Mustafa Aw-Abdi, and I'm the Chancellor of Somaliland's first international online and YouTube distance learning university. And today I will focus on abstraction. Mathematical abstraction is the process of extracting underlying structures, patterns, and properties from concrete real-world scenarios to create general symbolic models. It removes specific concepts, allowing for broader application and deeper logical analysis. Key areas include abstract algebra, group theory, and category theory. This is a huge step in quality on a weekly basis for students who learn the lessons of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness in global education. And before I start the lecture, follow me to YouTube, click the like button, follow me, ring the notification bell, and subscribe for all good comments and write down the comments below. Abstraction in mathematics is the process of extracting the underlying structures, patterns, or properties of a mathematical concept, remembering any dependence on real-world objects with which it might originally have been connected, and generalizing so that it has wider applications of matching other abstract descriptions of equivalent phenomena. In other words, to be abstract is to remove context and application. Two of the most highly use of mathematics are category theory and model theory.